Hey guys, it's Monica. Welcome to my YouTube Spanish Halo. This is my series. Bu- 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 This would be a Scentsy haul. I mean, technically, it's a series because I have not. Sorry for burping. I'm starting to put all my videos on a playlist, so this one should be under the Scentsy haul, not to be confused with the Scentsy Club haul. So this is my order that I placed on the 1st of August. I didn't get too much stuff, but I did get 3 of the Scentsy swipes in golden garland. They're at a good price. I think they're still available in the current. And then I got the bag of testers, which include the 10 new scents. So there's I believe 30 testers, and they are a mixture of the old ones and the new labels. So yeah, I think there's like 30, but I'm just gonna go through the 10 new scents. I'm gonna do them alphabetical. Hopefully they'll be easy to open and I won't have a problem. So this one is applewood incense. I don't know the notes by heart, but yeah, you get a nice light apple scent. That's pretty good. So far on cold, not a club bar. This one is blackberry dahlia. I am gonna buy all of the 10 Scentsy bars before I decide what's going in my club. Oh, this one's pretty perfumey one. So far that one's good. I like that one. Shut. Oh my god, I'm bad. I'm a bad naughty girl. This was the applewood incense. Blackberry dolly. I just woke up from a nap, so I'm gonna blame that. Where did I put it? Oh, shy sugar cookie. It's cinnamon heavy. So or clove, one or the other. Embered evergreen. Yeah. Oh, that one's like a very snowy spruce. It's a piney one. I like that. I do like piney. Ooh, that cleared my nostrils. Ice chalet. Oh yeah, nice minty scent. So far, 3 out of the 5 I like. Midnight sandalwood. That one's pretty. That's a pretty I wonder what's in there. It's a perfume one. Mold pomegranate. Yeah, that one's good. Nice stuff. 3 more. Sorry. Mulberry oak. Oops. Reflecting wrong. Oh, that was good. Let's see. Plum, white, and pumpkin. Oh man. Ooh, that's a sweet, sweet smell. It don't even smell like plum. It smells like uh bakery actually. And spiced apple chai. Oh yeah, those are good. So of the 10, there's 7 that I like and 3 that are okay. But like I said, I am gonna get all of the bars. Um, what else was I gonna show you? Oh, they're $2 things, and one was a car bar for the car, and then a little small candle. But it's too hard to get, and it's pretty warm in here. But yeah, I got 3 golden garlands and my testers. I do have another Scentsy haul coming. I just found out that the round robin box is on its way. Um, I have a Let's Get Lit candles on its way. The Nose Farms is probably going to be in September, so that's like 4 items. Is that another Scentsy? And a Scentsy club. It's on its way. So I have like 5 things on its way. Again, this is Monica. Sorry, this is a quick video. I just wanted to get up. Like I said, I was in the middle of taking a nap, but I figured I might as well do it now while my husband's away. It's easier for me. But yeah, I'm excited about all the testers. So I got at least the testers, and I know about which ones I'm going to pretty much like. So not bad, 7 out of the 10. So my Scentsy website is SpanishHello.Scentsy.us. And thank you for watching.